Mr. President, sir, all of the Israeli people are behind you. End this war. Bring them all home. נתניהו, אני לא אתן לך להרוג את הילד שלי. עם ישראל לא ייתן לך להרוג את היקירים שלנו. עם ישראל לא יסלח לך על פשעי ההפקרה האלו.
But President Trump, please don't stop. Don't leave us alone. This is only the first step. Do whatever is necessary to bring every last one home. The other 58 hostages have no time left. They are in hell. The living could be killed any day. The deceased, their bodies could be lost forever.
Mr. Donald Trump, Special Envoy to the Middle East, Steve Witkoff, Adam Boulder, please continue the job. Please remember, Netanyahu is deceiving you. Netanyahu is lying to you. Same as Netanyahu is betraying us. He's betraying us. He's betraying the hostages for his personal purposes. We all know that Netanyahu is working on stalling and prolonging the war on the blood of Israeli civilians and Israeli soldiers.